Today, December 20th, we celebrate Underdog Day, a day that honors those who rise against the odds, who defy expectations, and who turn dreams into reality. Did you know you might have hidden talents waiting to be discovered? When you try new things, you spark your passions and uncover strengths you never even knew existed. It's in those moments of curiosity and exploration that greatness is born. When you desire something with a fiery passion, your mind becomes unstoppable. It pushes you to take action, persevere, and overcome challenges until you achieve success. That's the power of passion. It turns "I can't" into "I will." This Underdog Day, I want to help you take the first step toward your success story. That's why I'm offering my Turn Passion into Profit Blueprint for just $2.99. This step-by-step guide will help you identify your passions, develop your talents, and turn your unique skills into a profitable venture. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a small business dreamer, or someone who just wants to explore your hidden talents, this blueprint is your roadmap to success. Remember, every underdog has a moment when they decide to rise. Let this be yours. Click the link below to grab the Turn Passion into Profit Blueprint for just $2.99 and start turning your passion into your greatest advantage. Your time is now. Rise like the underdog you are. Happy Underdog Day, and here's to discovering your passions and building the future you've always dreamed of. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, inspiration, and tools to fuel your journey.